next video and last one of the day is also going to be a stupid experiments one. We just did the helmet about 5 minutes ago, died. We're going to shoot this and see if you are wearing a chicken watering thing on your head. Would it save you? Let's go. We're going to do 1, 5, and 10 pumps. Here we go. 1 pump. It's pretty obvious. 5 pumps. 5 pumps. Here we go. Dang. That is so close to making it through. That right there. Bro, just look at this from the inside. I don't think you guys can see that, but what I see right now is crazy. This huge bump on the inside. Dang. 10 pumps. Here we go. 10 pumps. This one's going through. Okay, well, surprising. Didn't make it through. Yeah. Here's the back. This bump right here. Okay, I'm giving you guys crappy footage. This bump right here means it didn't make it through. Failed to make it through. What should I shoot this with next to actually have it go through? Tell me in the comments.